What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best budget drones in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The first product on our review list is Potensic A20W Mini Drone, also known as the best ultra-cheap budget drone on the market in 2023. Thanks to numerous safety features and stable construction, this device is especially suitable for beginners who have little flying experience and are looking for a practice model. The manufacturer has done a great job here and brought to market a quadcopter that meets all the requirements of a mini drone. The price-performance ratio is very good. The device has a normal RC remote control, including a smartphone holder in which the live images from the camera can be displayed on the screen in real time. To make flying this mini drone especially suitable for beginners, there's an automatic takeoff and landing function. There is also the hover function, where the system automatically works in the background and always balances the quadcopter so that it's the perfect flight position and maintains altitude. Thanks to the extensive sensor technology, the drone has perfect features in the air, so that it can be flown by just about any novice. A beginner does not need a particularly long training phase and quickly gets used to the drone. The design of this mini drone is very robust and resistant. The propellers are well protected from the surrounding objects, and if an accident happens, the quadcopter will be damaged only in rare cases. As for the appearance, we're dealing with a matte black color. The camera is the important heart of this mini drone. It's a high-resolution camera that sends real-time images to your smartphone. Through Wi-Fi, the image data from the HD camera is transmitted in real time to the smartphone, from where the drone can be controlled using a 2.4 GHz controller. The battery is replaceable, so you can fly as long as you want, as long as you have enough spare batteries with you. The included battery can be charged more than 300 times. As for the flight time, a lot depends on your flight preference. If you're particularly aggressive, the battery only lasts a matter of minutes. In general, it can be said that depending on the battery charge capacity and the behavior of the drone pilot in flight, this will mean 5 to 10 minutes of flight time. For the listed price, we are impressed. If you're looking for the top bang for the buck, we say check out the Ryze Tello, also known as the best value budget drone available on the market in 2023. The feature-packed mini drone grew out of a partnership between Ryze, Intel, and DJI. Their goal was to create the ultimate unmanned drone. When you hear names like DJI and Intel, you probably think that this drone has to have the latest technology and be really expensive. Well, this small drone has an HD camera, smart flight modes, image stabilization, and a handful of sensors for stable flight. What it does not have is a high price. Probably the most impressive part of the Tello is the 5-megapixel camera that can record 720p video. Most drones under $100 have grainy, low-resolution 0.3 megapixel or 2 megapixel cameras. Also, except for the Ryze Tello, no other drone at this price has electronic image stabilization. We found EIS and Tello to work extremely well. It turns otherwise unwatchable flickering video into smooth images you'll be happy to share with your friends. Another thing that sets the Tello apart from the competition is its different flight modes. The flight mode is called Easy Shots. The up and away mode, for example, is a classic drone. Tello flies away from you while slowly gaining height to keep you in the center of the video. The brightest mode has to be Circle. In this mode, the Tello performs what other drones call a point of interest, or orbit. The mini drone will circle around your target, always keeping it in the frame. This is a feat not achieved by other drones that don't have a built-in GPS. There are a handful of other fun modes, such as 8 different turns, bounce, and 360. You can also start and launch the drone instead of taking it off the ground. The device uses multiple sensors and cameras to keep the drone where you want it to be. Infrared sensors, a downward-facing camera, and an altimeter combine to keep the Tello stable. The Tello also boasts an impressive flight time of 13 minutes. Most drones of this size will only stay in the air for half that time. Tello's height is software limited to 66 feet, but there are free apps you can use to extend that. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. Up next, we present to you the BetaFPV Cetus Pro Kit, aka the best mid-range budget drone available on the market in 2023. This is an FPV drone that can be controlled by beginners with the intuitive DJI motion controller, or experienced FPV pilots with the DJI FPV remote control. The batteries provide 4 to 5 minutes of flight time, so it's worth buying an extra 4 battery pack to extend the life. The small frame of the drone is made of PA12 plastic with built-in propeller guards around and below the propeller to keep the drone safer around people and when flying indoors. This shock resistance is necessary because you'll crash a lot while learning. The device's onboard camera is strictly for FPV streaming with no video capability. The kit also includes the Light Radio 2SE transmitter, which is a basic FPV controller perfect for the Cetus. FPV controllers are a little different than camera drone controllers, but the included instructions make it all clear. The FPV goggles are low-cost analog goggles that provide an FPV feed from a Cetus camera. The beauty of the Cetus Pro is that it offers 3 speed modes: slow, medium, and fast, and 3 flight modes so you can use more advanced modes as your flying skills improve. Another safety feature, which is available in all flight modes, is auto landing, where the drone will land when the battery reaches its minimum level instead of crashing. Thumbs up, that's for sure. The next product on our review list is the Holy Stone HS720E, aka the runner-up best budget drone available on the market in 2023. This model offers solid construction, simple controls, and a set of included accessories. The Holy Stone HS720E is a surprisingly compact drone, folding down to a fairly small 173 by 104 by 56 millimeters that's easy to hold and carry with one hand. Even with arms fully extended, it's still one of the smallest drones around. It feels solid and robust, giving you confidence that it won't completely fall apart in the event of a crash. And while it doesn't have a gimbal system for really smooth video, the camera is securely mounted to the drone's body. The battery fits into a compartment on the back with a quick release button for easy battery replacement. There's also a small micro SD card slot on the side for storing pictures, sold separately. The extendable handles make the relatively small controller easier to hold when mounting your phone. A nice touch. Aside from the phone holder features, the controller is basically what you'd expect from a drone. There's a low-res LCD screen to display stats like signal quality and GPS status, along with dual joysticks to control the drone's movement, a dedicated return-to-home button, and camera controls on the right bumper. Both the phone and the controller connect to the drone via 5 GHz Wi-Fi with FPV video up to 500 meters. The controller will connect up to 1 kilometer away using its built-in antennas. Also, you can set preset flight plans through the app. Other automatic shooting modes are available, including a point of interest that'll rotate around a point of interest 10 meters away for a cool spiral shot and a follow me mode. Holy Stone provides 2 batteries in the package, which last 23 minutes each for a total of 46 minutes of flight, though you'll need to land the drone and change the battery halfway through. The good news is that if the battery dies, the drone will return to where it originally took off from, instead of just falling out of the sky. Conveniently, there's a dual charger in the box that allows you to connect both batteries at once. This model has 2 modes, one limited to 15 miles per hour and the other limited to 22 miles per hour. The former is good for controlled slow-speed shots, while the latter is great for fast shots, tracking movement subjects, and just plain fun. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Finally, we present to you the long-awaited gold medal and the title of the best overall budget drone on the market in 2023. Meet the DJI Mini SE. This is the company's smallest, cheapest, and lightest drone to date. It offers a wonderful opportunity for all adventure lovers to enter the world of aerial photography at an affordable price. With aerial photography, it's possible to capture images so incredible they can't be seen with the naked eye. With the introduction of the DJI Mini SE, capturing mesmerizing aerial views with 2.7K video and 12 megapixel photos is just a drone away. This model is compact and easy to transport. Weighing just 249 grams, it's DJI's lightest drone and feels like a smartphone in your pocket. A drone is useful while you're on different adventures. The super portable design is perfect for capturing ultra-smooth aerial shots on the go. This model also offers superior stability with a 3-axis motorized gimbal that ensures sharp, lag-free images. In addition, you also get a good 30 minutes of flight in the air in one go, which allows you to capture amazing stable video, even when flying along a windy coast or high above an alpine forest. The DJI Mini SE drone is capable of withstanding winds of 29 to 38 kilometers per hour. Overall, despite the budget price, it offers a great experience for beginners. An added bonus to all the tutorials and guides that DJI offers is the DJI Fly app, which contains a variety of templates for creators. There seems to be no limit to the shots you can take. From capturing panoramic views when flying along a windy coastline to capturing footage high in an alpine forest, the DJI Mini SE will always delight you with stable and impressive shots. Overall, this model delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best budget drones in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.